Hello students, today we will revise the subtraction. We already talked about subtraction. One more time I will tell you some important points of subtraction. Okay, some of the students are not understanding of this addition, subtraction, multiplications. So, I'm planning to revise and I will go by step by step. Okay, listen carefully. First, I am going to do addition. You can easily do, no problem. But subtraction, someone of you could not understand. Okay, so I am planning to revise subtraction second time. Okay, so first of all, subtraction. There are three important words I am going to introduce. The first word, the larger number we called minuend. The larger number. Okay, larger number we call minuend. Okay, the smaller number we call subtrahend. The answer, the difference, the answer is difference. So in subtraction sum there are three words are important. The larger number is called minuend, the smaller number we call subtrahend, then answer is difference. Okay, let me see what is minuend, what is subtrahend, and what is difference. Okay, let me take some example. I have taken some example sum. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 9, 3, 6, 4, 8, 9. So it's a larger number, so we call it's a minuend. Okay, it's a minuend. It's a smaller number, so we call it is a subtrahend. Okay, so now we want to find out the difference. So how to find out difference? So always upside means upside. Minuend always if bigger number than the subtrahend na. So we can easily subtract. It means see, let me see. Here upside 9, downside 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. So we will do subtraction. Okay. So upside 9, minuend is 9. Downside the subtrahend is 8. So 9 minus 8, remainder 1. Difference is 1. Okay, difference. Okay, 8 minus 4, 4 is the difference. 6 minus 6, 0 is the difference. 4 minus 3, 1 is the difference. So this is the answer. So answer we call difference. So these three words are very important in this subtraction sum. It's a minuend, it's a subtrahend, it's a difference. Okay, so you have to know these three words, which is minuend, which is subtrahend, and which is difference, and also how to subtract the larger number to smaller number. Okay. Okay students, let me see some other example. Okay, now I will take this number, I will subtract from this number to this number. It's a larger number, so we call this is the minuend. It's a smaller number, so we call it a subtrahend. So now I want to find out difference. Let me see how to find out the difference. So it's a larger number. I'm going to write first number. Okay, it's a first number. So here 0, 0, 9, 5, 8, 6. It's a smaller number. I will write here 2, 1, 8, 3, 2, 3. So I am going to subtract. So if you want to write upside of this number, for place table, you can write easy, no problem. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So for your identification purpose, if you can write upside the table, place value table. Okay, so you can easily identify which number you are going to subtract now. Okay, so that's why. Now see, if you see this kind of number 0, minuend is 0, subtrahend is 2. Can you subtract in this number? We can't subtract. So what we will do? We want to borrow nearby number. But here also there is no any number. So again I am going to borrow nearby number. So here 9 is there. So I will borrow 1 here. So it becomes 8. Here the 1 is comes here. It becomes 10. So again I want to move forward. So it's 9. Now here 10. Now 10 minus 2 we can subtract. So 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 1, so it's also 8. 8 minus 8, you know very well, it's a 0. Okay, so 5 minus 3, 2 is the difference. 8 minus 2, 6 is the difference. 6 minus 3, 3 is the difference. So we will put comma here as per the Indian place value system. So how we can read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So what's the difference? 3,62,088 is the difference. So it's a minuend, it's a subtrahend, this is the different. Okay, so you read carefully. When you do the subtraction sum, you have to identify all the numbers, which is minuend, which is subtrahend, which is the difference. Let me take another example. It's a larger number, so we call it a minuend. So I will write first, it's a minuend, I will write first. Second, I will write subtrahend 0, 0, 8, 2, 3, 2. So I will write on place value table ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now I am going to subtract. So 1 minus 0, we know 1. 2 minus 0, we know 2. 0 minus 8, we can't subtract. So we need to borrow. So here 3 now become 2. Here 10. 10 minus 8, so difference is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. 6 minus 3, 3 is the difference. 4 minus 2, 2 is the difference. So as per the Indian place value system, how we can read? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 2 lakh, 30,000, 221 is the difference. Okay. So it's a minuend, it's a subtrahend, it's a difference. Okay, students. I have solved some sums of subtraction in your books for example sums, some exercise sum also. In this chapter, there have many exercises. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 9 exercises are there. I have solved some sums. Then remaining sums you have to do in your homework. Okay, I hope you understand which I have solved in this video, in this board. Then remaining sums you have to solve even as a homework. Okay, so no need to tell do this homework. Okay, so which sum I have solved, then remaining sum you have to do in a homework. So this here also I have solved some example sums and exercise sums. There are 9 exercises are there. I solved some sums. Remaining you do in your homework. Okay, let me see this another example. A dictionary has ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 14 lakh. A dictionary has 14 lakhs 88,728 words. Okay, words are there. Okay, so Ravi has read 9 lakh 37,487 words. Ravi has read means he read these words 9 lakh 37,487 words out of this. So he read this much words. So remaining words, how much words are left there in the dictionary? So we want to find out. So total words are there. Ravi has read these words. So remaining how much word does not read, do not read. So we want to find out. So as per the using subtraction, we can find out how many words he does not read. We can find out. Okay. So I am going to do subtractions. For this is a larger number. We know very well. Always when we a larger number we call always it's a minuend. The smaller number we call it a subrahend. Okay. We want to find out the difference. That's the answer for he left the word. It means he do not read the words. So he want to read. He read already this word. He do not read. We want to find out how much words he do not read. Okay. So first I will take and write this big larger number as a minuend. So like 1, 4, 8, 8, 7 to 8. It's a minuend. Subrahend 7, 8, 4, 7, 3, 9. So it's a subrahend. Okay. So I am going to subtract. You know, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. So let me see. The minuend is bigger than the subrahend. So we can subtract. No need to borrow nearby the number. So 8 minus 7, we got difference 1. See, 2 minus 8, we cannot subtract because minuend is smaller than the subrahend. So what we will do? We have to borrow nearby the number. So here we will borrow. So here becomes 6. Now here 12. So 12 minus 8, we know very well 4 is the difference. So 6 minus 4, we know the difference is 2. 8 minus 7, the difference is 1. 8 minus 3, difference is 5. 4 minus 9, we can't subtract, so we take 14. So 14 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 is the difference. So as per the Indian place value system, I give a comma like this here. First 3 place, after 2 place. Okay. So 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 lakh, 51,241 words Ravi does not read. He did not read. So he read 9,37,487 words, but he did not read 5,51,241 words. He left the words. So this is the difference. This is the answer of this sum. Okay.